watching KGUN-9 on your side. News at 6.
Now, this is a job for a space cowboy. NASA is looking to lasso an asteroid and bring it home for a closer look.
9 on your side's Greg Smith is here with a look at what they might do and why.
Well, you know, to misquote an old movie, in space, no one can hear you scream, yeehaw. To help protect us from killer space rocks, NASA plans to lasso one or grab it some other way and sort of tame it. Ben Botti and Primo know a thing or two about catching a fast-moving object.
Everybody has to be in the correct position. Your horse has to know what he's doing. The calf has to be running straight. And I don't know how you'd practice that on an asteroid.
That's right, an asteroid. Catching tons and tons of high-speed space rock is exactly what NASA is planning. So why do you want to corral one of these things anyway? Well, one of the best reasons is you want to learn how to nudge these off course before they come and flatten your city. Another good reason is because a lot of these asteroids are full of valuable minerals, things you can go into space and harvest and use them for fuel and materials to push you deeper into space. U of A planetary scientist Dante Loretta is leading a mission to land an unmanned probe called OSIRIS-REx on an asteroid and bring back a small sample. That's tricky enough. Grabbing an entire asteroid and parking it near the moon so astronauts can explore it. Now that's thinking big. Now, when they're talking about parking it near the moon, is there any chance it could get away from it?
Well, they want to put it at what's called a Lagrange point on the far side of the moon. So it's a very stable location gravitationally, and if they get it there, it'll have no chance of impacting the Earth.
If they get it there.
That's right.
Oh. The unmanned asteroid grabber may not literally lasso the rock. One concept calls for a giant scoop, but scientists are still brainstorming what else might work. Ben Botti says, it's too bad you can't get a horse in a spacesuit. Now, we've had some fun with this, but it is a serious mission. One of the challenges is to be able to find an asteroid small enough to capture. That will mean developing the ability to find and track asteroids much smaller than we know how to track right now.
To move an asteroid, how much power would that take?
Actually, it's easier than you think because you're not fighting the force of gravity. Once you get something moving, inertia will keep it moving. During a lot of spacewalks in the shuttle period, we saw astronauts take huge items they'd never be able to move on Earth and move it around with their own muscle, but they had to be careful not to give it too much oomph or they'd have trouble stopping it.
Thank you.
At least you don't need horsepower for that, right?
Thanks.